Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to another video. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're definitely welcome, and please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning in, thanks for always stopping by. I love you guys so much. So today's video, we're going to be preparing banga soup. I have onion here, stockfish, I have my salt, my banga soup spices, my salt, my catfish all cleaned and washed. I have my crayfish, my pepper, my ogiri all grinded together, all blended together. I have my scent leaf, my seasoning cube. So guys, let's get right into this video. The first thing to do is to boil the banga seed, known as the palm fruits. Boil for 20 minutes. As you can see, I'm already boiling my seed. Before boiling, make sure you wash your banga very well to ensure that you remove all the dirt and sand. As you can see, my banga seed is ready, and see the way I'm pressing it, making sure it's done properly. So I'm going to go ahead to pound it. So hubby is helping me out to pound the banga seed. He's so supportive, he's very supportive. So I'm staying outside because I don't want to mess the whole kitchen. I'm going to pound this banga, and after pounding it, I'm going to go ahead to extract the juice from it. If you haven't seen my video of how to make palm oil, I will link the video up on the screen, so go watch it out. This is me here trying to extract the juice from what I have pounded. So I'm going to go ahead to extract the juice, and I'll be using water and sieve, as you can see over here. And when extracting the juice, ensure you don't add too much water. This is where the work of this soup starts. Like, this is where the work starts. It's not easy. So the juice or extract from this is what, as in, is basically is what I'm going to use for the soup. The Igbos call this soup Ofe Akwu. So here is the extracted juice, or rather the concentrate from the palm fruits. Making this soup is not easy at all, but let's keep going, let's keep moving. Okay, so I used hot water, as in not too hot, like warm water, to extract this juice properly. The next thing is to put on the gas to cook the banga oil until you get to the consistency you want for your stew or soup, whichever one you are using it for. Leave it to boil very well for like some minutes. Add the onion. As you can see, I'm adding my onion into the pot now. And the next is the crayfish, the pepper, and the ogiri, also known as locust beans, and my banga soup spices, and let it boil very well for a while. It's always good to add plenty onion to give it that nice taste and aroma. And the bangasoup spices, I got it from the market and blended it myself because I wanted to be sure of the spices I'm using for this soup. But you can find it also in the markets all blended for you, already to use. Just ask for bangasoup spices. So this is after 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to stir together and add my salt, my Maggi, and of course my meat, my dry fish, stockfish, and leave for 10 minutes. So the next is to add your scent leaves or other vegetable of your choice that you want to use, and leave for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can use the fresh scent leaf or dried one, but I prefer using the fresh one. It's better to use a fresh scent leaf. So after adding, stir together and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Here, our soup is finally ready. This soup can be eaten with any form of swallow or rice, but I prefer eating it with rice. This is going to be the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.